In this video I show you how you can create awesome looking fake FPV shots with your Insta360 GO2. Don't miss this. All the shots you have seen were created with the Insta360 GO2 in combination with a selfie stick. There was no real FPV drone in use, even you might think so. If you also want to create such awesome looking FPV shots with your Insta360 GO2, follow these steps. Step 1. Mount your Insta360 GO2 on a selfie or telescope stick and extend it. Step 2. Power on your Insta360 GO2 and select the Pro video mode. Make sure to choose the highest resolution, 40 in 40p, and set the frame rate to 30 FPS. Why I recommend 30 FPS, you will see later. Step 3. Go outside and record dynamic fake FPV sequences. I would recommend you to move the camera slightly above the ground and pass objects closely. This gives your shots the usual FPV drone feeling. Additionally, move the camera slightly left and right. These movements are important to add dynamic to your videos. Also try to move fast forward. You can either run or use a bike or something similar. The faster you move, the more natural the FPV shot looks. The fast movement in combination with the close distance between the ground or objects leads to a motion blur, which is desired. The lower the shutter speed, the better the result. 30 FPS theoretically allows you a shutter speed of 1/30th of a second. To increase the motion blur effect in bright lighting conditions, I would recommend you to use ND filters. Step 4. The real magic happens in post-production. The normal clip looks really boring, but with a few settings you can create awesome looking FPV shots. This works only in the Insta360 smartphone app, so I show you how. Open the Insta360 GO2 video, which you want to edit. The first important step is to change the field of view to linear. The linear mode gives you a dewarped wide-angle view. The wide field of view simulates a fast-moving speed. Now we're adding additional dynamic movements with keyframes. Set the keyframe and change the rotation angle slightly. A few seconds later, set another keyframe and change the rotation angle to another value. I would recommend to create the pendulum motion, because that simulates best a FPV drone flight. Don't change the rotation angles too much, otherwise it will look unnatural. Additionally, you are able to reframe the perspective. Just long press on the screen and shift it around. I recommend you to change both, the perspective and the rotation angle. This works best for me. You can experiment with your videos as you like. After you set all your keyframes, export the video and your fake Insta360 GO2 FPV shot is finished. Get creative and try it out yourself. If you don't have an Insta360 GO2, check out the link in the description and get yours now. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel for more Insta360 GO2 video ideas, tricks and tutorials. I see you in the next video.